Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to download and install SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio. I will drop both of these links below, so if you guys have any questions or can't access it, so let's get started. So first step is to download. We're going to start downloading. Actually, let's start with SQL Server Management Studio. So this is a Microsoft website. Like I said, I'm going to drop the link below. Okay, and then just scroll down on this page and it should be download SSMS. Okay, once you hit the download, just wait a few seconds. All right, once download is complete, go ahead and click on it to open the download, and we should see this screen here. So on here, you choose a location where you want your SQL Service Management Studio installed. I want on my V drive. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. So on this tab here, you pretty much just wait until it's all done. All right, once it's done, you should see setup completed. So this is SQL Server Management Studio. It's up and running. But in order for SQL Server Management Studio to run, you have to have a SQL Server installed. So as you can see, SQL Server Management Studio, it's now installed. But all right, let's go ahead and install SQL Server. And all right, let's go. Let me open up the link here for SQL Server. All right, so you go into the link. I'm gonna give you guys the link. And down here on the you can do either developer or express, but for this purpose, let's do developer. You just click download, wait for the download to finish. Go ahead and click in here. You can do basic, doesn't really matter. Accept. So on this one, also I'm gonna do my D drive, but you guys can select any location you want, and just click install. Okay, installation is complete. So once you hit this page here, it's gonna say installation is complete. So you can click close now. Yes, and then you can go search for SQL Management Studio. All right, and then on the server name, just make sure you type localhost. Localhost is going to be the server name for your machine. And go ahead and click connect. And you are good to go. So you can see your databases here. For now, we don't have any databases. I'm going to create a video that shows how to create your very first database. So thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, concern, comments, just drop a comment below.